everyone, welcome to my channel. Now today's video will be showing my crochet passion twist done, and the hair I used is from the Janet collection. It's the Nala Tress passion twist braid hair in 24 inches. Janet collection, thank you so much for sending this hair to me. Yep, thank you so much. I look so pretty now. Thank you very much. Okay, they sent me 6 bags of this hair in 24 inches. Now this hair does come in 24 inches and it also comes in 28 inches, but I got the 24 inches 6 bags, and in each bag there's 15 pieces of hair, 15 twists actually. In all honesty, all you need for the style is 5 bags. You don't need 6 bags. 5 bags is all you need. I only dip my ends in the 6th bag because, well, I had it, so let me just open it up and like fill up my hair, which I really did. And like, this is super full. Trust me, 5 bags will be just enough for you. Thank you so much. So 15 pieces per bag, so that's 15 by 5 bags. That's let's see, 15 by 5, that's 75. Then from the 6th bag, I only used 9 pieces. Remember, each bag has 15 pieces of, I used 9 pieces from the 6th bag, so that's 75 plus 9, that's 84. So yes, altogether now I have 84 twists on my head. I mean, this is the 3rd time I'm getting passion twisted done. The first time I twisted myself, the 2nd time I twisted myself, and this time around I must confess this hair is very lightweight. Like, as compared with other brands, I'm not going to say other brands, as compared with your average pre-twisted crochet hair, this hair comes lightweight, because most often than not, pre-twisted crochet hair is always like it's that heavy. Janet collection, thank you so much for doing your homework with this one. And you know, this hair is also a winner for people because we all love passion twists. I love passion twists, a lot of people love passion twists, but you know what the thing is, not everybody likes to twist. I mean, even if you like to twist, not everybody knows how to twist. So this one pretty much just, it comes easy for everyone, anybody that wants the style and that's just that, and just does not want to go the other route of, like, you know, taking out your hair and then twisting, and you know that issue we like to do. Like, so thank you so much, Janet collection, again. Thank you for this hair. I like this. I don't want to start rambling. Thank you so much. Like, so now to you for watching this video, thank you so much for tuning in, and please continue with me throughout the video to show you how I put this on my head. Thank you very much.